Chola Empire, South India 900 to 1200 AD. South India during 600 to 800 centuries. Pallavas and Pandyas dominated modern-day Tamil Nadu. Cheras dominated modern-day Kerala. Chalukyas dominated modern-day Maharashtra and Deccan region. Chola Empire arose in 9th century and brought under its control a large part of the peninsula, developed powerful navy, and conquered Sri Lanka and Maldives. Founder of Chola Empire was Vijayalaya, who was the first feudatory of the Pallavas. Cholas defeated Pallavas and Pandyas and captured Tanjore in 1850 AD. The greatest Chola rulers were Rajaraja and his son Rajendra I. Rajaraja conquered Madurai, Maldives and Sri Lanka. Rajendra completely overrunning the Pandya and Chera countries, Sri Lanka and including them in his empire. Rajaraja and Rajendra I marked their victories by erecting a number of Shiva and Vishnu temples at various places. Example, Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjore in 1010. Rajendra I crossed Ganga across Kalinga to Bengal and had defeated two local kings in 1022. To commemorate this occasion, Rajendra I assumed the title of Gangaikonda Chola. Rajendra I built capital at Kaveri river mouth called Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Sri Vijaya Empire, which is also called Shailendra dynasty, revived 10th century, extended over Malay Peninsula, Sumatra, Java and neighborhood countries and controlled overseas trade route to China, and they were Buddhists and had a cordial relations with the Cholas. Sri Vijaya Empire ruler built Buddhist monarchy at Nagapattinam. The Chola navy was the strongest, and for some time the Bay of Bengal was converted into a Chola lake. One of the remarkable features of the Chola administration was their encouragement to local self-government in the villages all over their empire. The Chola rulers fought constantly with the Chalukyas, also called later Chalukyas, who had succeeded the Rashtrakutas, and their capital was at Kalyani. The Chola Empire declined during early part of the 13th century. The later Chalukyas Empire also came to an end during this period. The place of Cholas taken by the Pandyas and Hoysals in the south. Later Chalukyas were replaced by the Yadavas and Kakatiyas.